So as you may have heard, Epic Games bought Sketchfab a little while back, and just recently they've released their new marketplace, the FAB Store. So the FAB Store is combining the Unreal Engine Marketplace, the Sketchfab Store, Quixel Marketplace, and the ArtStation Marketplace into one large marketplace where you can get lots of 3D assets like 3D models, materials, textures, game assets, and lots of other 3D resources. So for Sketchfab sellers, they offered a migration process, so I was able to migrate my 3D models from Sketchfab onto the new FAB Marketplace. And now that the FAB Marketplace is live, Sketchfab is no longer selling their 3D models. But since I've migrated my 3D assets on Sketchfab, if you go to my Sketchfab profile, if you want to purchase an asset, then you can now just click on this button here to get the asset on FAB. And that will take you over to the FAB Marketplace and show you the listing. And the FAB Marketplace also has a 3D viewer, so you can upload 3D models and then preview them in your browser, very similar to Sketchfab. Now Epic Games also owns ArtStation, where I have my 3D portfolio, and I also sell a lot of products on the ArtStation Marketplace. And so the ArtStation Marketplace is also going to be merging with FAB, and so next year in 2025, they're going to have a migration process where sellers can migrate their listings onto FAB. And FAB also does have some free assets, so if you're just interested in getting some free assets, I do have some free assets on my FAB store. So if you go to my FAB store in the description, you can click over here on the license type on the side panel, and you can just checkmark the Creative Commons, and you can see here are the Sketchfab models that I had for free, which I've migrated over to FAB, and I might also upload some more of my free content, which I have on my Gumroad store. So I wanted to let you know about the new updates and the updates with Sketchfab closing their marketplace because they're moving over to FAB. So I hope you found the video informative, and thanks for watching.